or should we dive in? Space, often called the final frontier, has captivated our imagination for centuries, from ancient civilizations charting the stars to modern-day space missions. Humans have always looked up and wondered, what's out there? Space exploration seeks to answer some of the biggest questions. How did the universe begin? Are we alone? Can we one day live on another planet? Space exploration isn't just about satisfying our curiosity, it's about survival. With climate change, overpopulation and resource depletion threatening our planet, some scientists argue that space colonization is our best bet for ensuring humanity's future. Missions to Mars, the search for habitable exoplanets, and the development of space habitats are all driven by the goal of expanding human life beyond Earth. But it's not just about colonization. Space exploration drives innovation. The challenges of sending humans and machines into space have led to groundbreaking technologies that impact our daily lives, from GPS and satellite communication to medical advancements. The quest to explore space has revolutionized how we understand physics, chemistry, and even biology. However, there's a hefty price tag. Space missions cost billions of dollars, and critics argue that these resources could be better spent solving problems here on Earth. But for those who dream of the stars, space exploration is not just an investment in technology, it's an investment in the future of humanity. While space tends to steal the spotlight, the ocean holds secrets that are just as awe-inspiring. Covering more than 70% of Earth's surface, the ocean is our planet's most extensive and least explored environment. Over 80% of it remains uncharted, hiding ecosystems and species that are more alien than anything we found on other planets. The deep sea is a world of extremes, where pressure is so intense it can crush submarines, temperatures swing from near freezing to boiling, and light never reaches. Yet life finds a way. From bioluminescent jellyfish to ancient, gigantic squids, these creatures defy our understanding of biology and could even hold clues to how life began on Earth. The deep ocean is not just a biological treasure trove, it's a potential resource haven. Beneath the waves lie vast deposits of rare minerals essential for modern technologies. The ocean could also harbor untapped sources of medicine and renewable energy. But deep-sea exploration is challenging, requiring specialized equipment and often operating on a shoestring budget compared to space missions. Despite its proximity, the ocean remains largely unexplored, largely due to the difficulty and high cost of operating in such a harsh environment. Exploring the deep ocean is also like traveling back in time. The ocean preserves the remnants of long-lost civilizations and ecosystems that have remained unchanged for millennia. In some ways, diving into the ocean is like venturing into a different planet, except it's right here on Earth, just beneath the surface. Part 3. Comparing the challenges, exploring space and the deep ocean share some surprising similarities. Both environments are hostile to human life. Space has no air, while the deep ocean has crushing pressure. In space, astronauts face radiation, extreme temperatures, and the vacuum of the void. In the ocean, explorers must navigate pitch-black conditions, freezing temperatures, and corrosive salt water. Both require specialized technology, whether it's a spacesuit or a deep-sea diving suit. Space and ocean exploration are at the cutting edge of technology. Space agencies like NASA and private companies like SpaceX invest billions in research and development. On the other hand, ocean exploration often relies on smaller budgets with a focus on robotic submersibles, AI, and underwater drones. Yet both fields are interconnected. Many technologies developed for space missions, like pressure-resistant materials, are also used in deep-sea research. Another commonality is international collaboration. While space exploration tends to get more attention, ocean research is often a joint effort between multiple countries and organizations. Both frontiers offer the potential for scientific breakthroughs that could revolutionize our understanding of the Earth, whether it's mapping the ocean floor or discovering new celestial bodies. Yet the challenges are immense. Space exploration is still decades away from enabling sustainable human life beyond Earth, while deep-sea exploration continues to grapple with the logistical and financial hurdles of investigating the abyss. Each pursuit requires a delicate balance of scientific ambition, financial investment, and public interest. Part 4. Ethical and environmental implications. Exploration doesn't come without consequences. Space missions have left behind a growing problem: space debris. There are currently thousands of pieces of defunct satellites and rocket parts orbiting Earth, posing a significant risk to future missions. If left unchecked, space could become a hazardous junkyard. Meanwhile, the push to explore and exploit the ocean's resources has sparked environmental concerns. Deep-sea mining could devastate fragile ecosystems that we barely understand, potentially leading to irreversible damage. Should we prioritize one frontier over the other, or can we find a way to explore both responsibly? These ethical dilemmas highlight the need for careful stewardship of both space and the ocean. Whether it's preventing the proliferation of space junk or ensuring sustainable ocean use, the decisions we make today will shape our planet's future and the legacy we leave behind. Part 5. The future of exploration. Looking ahead, both space and ocean exploration are poised for breakthroughs. Projects like NASA's Artemis mission aim to return humans to the Moon and set the stage for missions to Mars. Meanwhile, advances in ocean technology are opening up previously unreachable parts of the seafloor. But which frontier should we prioritize? Some argue that understanding our own planet is critical before venturing out into the cosmos. After all, the ocean is vital for regulating our climate, sustaining biodiversity, and providing food and resources. Others believe that space exploration is essential for humanity's long-term survival, offering a lifeline in case of global catastrophes. Ultimately, it's not a question of one or the other. Both frontiers offer opportunities for discovery, innovation, and inspiration. The key is finding a balance that advances our knowledge of both our planet and the universe. Conclusion. Space and ocean exploration represent two of humanity's greatest ambitions: to uncover the unknown and push the limits of what we can achieve. Whether it's charting distant galaxies or diving into Earth's last unexplored depths, each endeavor reflects the same spirit of curiosity that has driven human progress for millennia. Space or ocean, make the background music suspenseful. Don't use iStock, use the best audio available.